Okay guys, we got 2015 GMC Terrain here with a 2.4 liter. So it cranks but no start. And you've checked your fuses and it's popping a number 38 fuse. It's in this location right here. If you can see that, the one that's missing, it's actually right there, which is an ignition fuse right there, 20 amp ignition fuse. So it'd be in the 38 position. If you're popping that, check this out. So where your coils plug in at right here, go to this coil here, which would be the number 1 coil. Straight back, the wire here rubs on this bolt and it shorts out. It's the red wire right there, which will keep popping that fuse. Trace that red wire. And like I said, it was just shorting out. It was just pushing right there. So if you have this problem and you keep popping that fuse, or maybe it's a crank and no start, check that fuse, replace that fuse. If you're good, you're good. But if it continues to pop that fuse, check that harness in that location right there. That's where we found the issue. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.